Hey everyone, welcome to Alpha Insights. I'm Gareth.
And I'm Kurt. Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in the cannabis sector.
That's right. The big news is that a GOP lawmaker reported that the Department of Justice will not delay their decision on cannabis rescheduling. This really shines a spotlight on federal policy changes that could benefit investors.
Absolutely. The idea of rescheduling cannabis from that strict Schedule I status to something lower could ease a lot of legal and banking hurdles.
Right, and that easing could open up access to institutional capital, which we've seen as a significant barrier. Furthermore, it could lead to more mergers and acquisitions in the industry and overall market growth.
Exactly. This isn't just about regulatory compliance. It's about unleashing potential revenue growth across states. And on the state level, we have some interesting developments happening too.
Yeah, for instance, Florida is seeing a push for adult use legalization again. This could really expand the market if it moves forward.
And let's not forget about Kentucky launching its medical cannabis program. Each new state with these programs adds another revenue channel for operators.
And Massachusetts is still showing strong sales figures in their established adult use market. This consistency is something investors need to watch.
Precisely. Plus, Texas has rolled out new hemp rules that could ease compliance for cultivators and processors. These state-level movements are significant.
Definitely. It seems like every state is contributing to this kind of momentum. The implications are huge, especially if you consider operator expansion plans in those states.
And we can't ignore the stocks that might experience heightened volatility due to all these changes. Names like Tilray, Canopy Growth, and Kronos could see market movements as traders assess this new regulatory landscape.
For sure, investors should keep an eye on how these multi-state operators report their quarterly guidance and adjust their positions accordingly.
Now, while the potential for these stocks to move is exciting, we also need to consider the risks. The timing of these regulatory changes can be unpredictable.
Exactly, and there's the legal ambiguity too. Just because rescheduling happens doesn't mean all banking issues will be resolved right away.
And execution risks at the state level can also slow down the revenue realization process. Investors really need to play it smart.
To summarize, the DOJ's indication that they won't delay rescheduling is definitely a bullish sign for the industry. But as you said, Kurt, the timing and execution risks are very real.
And state developments are creating actionable catalysts for those invested in the cannabis sector. Keeping an eye on both federal and state movements will be essential.
Absolutely. It's all about maintaining a selective approach. While policy tailwinds are mostly positive, we can't ignore the risks that could impact returns.
Exactly, Gareth. Thanks for tuning into today's discussion, everyone. Stay informed and engaged with these market-moving developments.
Take care, and we'll catch you next time on Alpha Insights.